This presentation is brought to you by Brailleiant at Brailleiant.org, where we are bridging the digital divide for the blind. In this video, we'll look at how to use the Braille Braille Embosser. Enjoy.
Okay, we are doing a demo of the Braille Embosser, and I am going to be embossing a document on the Braille Note Apex. First, let's start off by pressing the OL online button, which is the extreme right button on the square operation panel on the right hand side of the extreme right button. Let's press it now. The paper moved a little bit, so we will need to set the top of the form. So to do that, you need to press the extreme left and right buttons on the same time. That's form feed and OL/offline buttons. They're both the left and the right. So the ring finger and the pointer finger. Here we go. That top of form is set. We need to hurry on with the embossing, or else my device is going to die. Let's press the keyword. Oh, okay. This is... Here we go. That is fine. The document might be finished. So let's press.
I had the lid up to show it printing. What did you press to get it to go?
I pressed OL form feed.
Oh.
And I didn't need to do that, but I didn't know it was going to start. But for future, you need to know that when lifting the lid, even when you're videotaping this embosser, it will stop the printer. So you must tell your YouTubers that you can't show them it printing because of that. Anyway, we need to form feed the page out. Do that, you just press the form feed button. We get that out of paper message, which is fine.
And here you go.
And here we are. Now I will disconnect the device from the embosser, and I will show you the configuration settings for the embosser. To do that, I'll shut the device off. We'll close the device up. Now I will show you the configurations for the embosser. To access the configuration menu, you need to press all three buttons at the same time. But first, we need to review the button configuration layout. The very first button you will find is the form feed button on the left side of the control panel, this square part right here. Then the next button is your line feed button. What this basically does is it moves it a half an inch to move to the next line. The next button after that is the OL online offline button. Basically, that changes your embossing to pause mode. What we will be using this for the configuration menu. Press OL now.
Online, offline.
Press all three buttons to access the configuration menu. Use your line feed as your next button or advanced thumb key on your Apex. We will go into this option with the form feed button. The first option is the port option, which is set to parallel. you must leave. You may want to leave this the same if you are provided with a cord or a parallel or serial to USB conversion cord with the embosser, like I was, because I did not get the embosser from the specific manufacturer. So I was provided from some extra accessories. Let's go on with the line feed button again.
Wait, give a shout out to Rachel. Thank you, Rachel, for the embosser.
This has been a presentation by Brailleiant at Brailleiant.org, where we are bridging the digital divide for the blind. If you like this video, please click the like button. And for more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.